who died in the course of process, in the course of protest in Abuja. May his soul rest in peace. So in that process, Omoyinde Sowore is calling Nigerians to get ready for protests. But you know what? I think Nigerians are still enjoying. I think Nigerians are still enjoying the bad government. They are still enjoying Tinubu's administration. Nigerians are still enjoying the high cost of fuel in the north. Now, fuel is 1,200 to a liter. I don't know how much they are sending it in Lagos because it comes in Lagos from abroad. You know, we have fuel, but we import fuel. So I don't really know. Nigerians are still enjoying. They are still enjoying because maybe they are still seeing money to pay ransom. You know, kidnappers are also collecting tax. Nigerians are still enjoying. When Nigeria stop enjoying, I think they will not wait for Sowore to call for that revolution. When the time is right, where everybody will go hungry, I don't think they wait for Sowore to call for this protest before everybody will march out in the streets. According to Omoyinde Sowore, the time for the revolution to happen is now. That so many people are passing through suffering, so many people are passing through, malnutrition. Children are dying from the north, a lot of things are going on, and nobody cares. Nobody just cares about what is going on. People don't talk. Yesterday, I saw a video where Bishop Kuka, Bishop Kuka is a Catholic bishop of Sokoto Diocese. He was giving a speech. He said that it is because of religion that is why they have not killed our politicians. It is because of religions. That is why all these politicians are still doing what they are doing and going away with it. He said it is because of religion. And I agree with him. Before, the Northerners said that the protest is against their religion. That is what they normally said before. But when hunger started, when they started, experiencing hunger, nobody told them. They started protesting. Their women started protesting. The youth started protesting. Hunger not be your mate. Bad government not be your mate. Kidnappers not be your mate. When you be kidnapped 2 times, nobody will tell you to enter street. So Sowore is graciously calling for a revolution. I think he's helping Nigerians. He's helping us. I believe that Nigeria is not working. And anyone who is calling for a revolution is an act of help to Nigerians. The reason why I'm saying this issue of Sowore is because I don't want people to come out and begin to talk him down. This is not time to talk down on anyone who is calling for protest. So all I need is that people should support someone like Sowore at this moment. People should support people who are speaking up at this moment because they are needed. No matter how we pretend that things are working, no matter what we do, these people are needed. They are the most important people we need in our country now. You people see what is going on. These people, they already hold Nigeria in ransom. See, if you are going to church to pray against principalities and power, the kingdom of darkness, do not look far. All these people are principalities and powers. These people, they have held Nigeria down to the ground. They are holding Nigeria down to the ground. So let me take this call from Bosco. Good morning, Mr. Bosco.
Yes, my brother, greet you this evening. My time here from Georgia.
Okay.
The reason why I called this, you said, you can, one can call in even though in the middle of the broadcast. So what I wanted to say is this: you talk about, let me talk about Marcel and the but that's the only topic.
That is your interest.
If I go on Facebook, that's my interest. If I go on Facebook, somebody's not telling me about Marcel and he's not talking about how that man can be released. I don't know what else I'll be listening to.
Okay.
I'm just telling you the truth because that is where the hope. Let me tell you, my brother, man, Nigeria is not working. It's irredeemable. Let us, say ourselves and tell ourselves the truth. Let us stop pretending and acting like a fool. That country can never, ever work. Like I was talking to one of my friends the other day. I told him, I know some people are talking about 2027, which most of them don't even know if they will be alive come 2027. And they're saying they believe that P2B and Atiku can team up and then rescue Nigeria. And I asked them, even if you bring 1,000 P2B, there's nothing you can do in that country. That country it's gone. It has expired. Nobody can revive Nigeria. The only thing that can happen in Nigeria is for everybody to go their separate ways. That is, listen, there's no two ways to drag about this issue. It's clear in everybody's eyes. Now, the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, like what you were saying, and of course I know that's federal government with their propaganda. They can never tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to drop anything about agitation of Biafra. It's not possible. The reason why it's not possible is because, like you said before, which is true. Back, I think that was early 2000s. I don't remember the year, but I know sometime 2000 when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in London. He was campaigning for one Nigeria. He wasn't talking about separation of Nigeria. He was only talking basically on how things should go right in Nigeria. But that doesn't seem the way things things are not going the way he expects. That's when he starts saying, you know what, it seems like this country is not going to get any better. So that's when he said, okay, you know what, it's time for everybody to go their separate ways. Now, P2B won the election, which we know 2023. Even though we, the ipob, we're not in support of election. But of course, P2B won it outrightly, which is supposed to give to him. Now they took it away from him. No. How many times, when was the last time an Igbo person ruled as the president of that country? So what I'm trying to you, my brother, is this. There was a time Marcel said in his broadcast that if the need be for him to sacrifice his both parents for Biafra to come there, he's going to do it. He's going to do it. Yeah. That guy is a very determined person. He doesn't, and whatever he tells you, that's how it is. He can never tell you one thing and then retrieve it back. He's not that kind of a person.
Yeah.
Anything, listen, Marcel is all about Biafra. Biafra, nothing else. And he said, if he continues to ask these people for referendum, because he wants to do it in a peaceful way, if he continues to ask them in a peaceful way for referendum and they refuse, that outrightly he's going to break up and say, okay, you know what? He's going to declare Biafra, and then what's going to happen? They will steal our own border, and then anything that is going to happen, let it happen. He's doing it in the right way for them to know that he doesn't want to go in a violent way. That's why he's asking for a referendum. He's asking for a referendum so people can come and decide. And he said, if they have this referendum and it happens that he loses, that people prefer to be in Nigeria, that he will never ever talk about Biafra. He will never talk about Biafra. So that's why he's giving the federal government the opportunity for a referendum. And he said, if the referendum, they don't want to accept the referendum, that he must leave Nigeria. That it's going to be outright Biafra. It's not declared. So that's for the federal government for them to understand that the only thing that will make this thing, that Marcel cannot to stop the agitation, is just give us our own country and then be on your own. It's as simple as that. And then the issue of Sowore, like you've been saying, Nigerians are not serious people. They are dead bodies. I'm sorry to say that. They are just dead bodies. They are dead bodies because they must Sowore call for a revolution. Just like I said before, P2B won election. And P2B has no right to tell them to calm down. When they knew that their mandate was stolen, that was when they should have come and flooded the street and said, no, we want to retrieve our mandate. But because they are cowards and they are dead bodies, they couldn't do nothing. So them sitting down there looking for waiting for Sowore to tell them for revolution, well, then all of them is going to die there because they are very useless youths they have in Nigeria I've never seen. All they do is to go, and now they've monetized Facebook. Go there and see some of them, the useless content creation they are doing on Facebook. Nigerian youth are the most unreasonable, very useless set of members I've ever seen in my entire life. I tell you. Like I told in your program, I said, listen, we live in abroad. We have a better life over here. But we're clamoring to make sure that that country is divided so they can have a better life over there so we cannot come back. We might as well say, okay, no, we're not coming back to Nigeria. We'll just stay where we are and they can go to hell. But no, we are clamoring because we want them to live a better life. Because there's something good that has been stocked. That we have the natural resources over there that is good. That is enough for everybody to enjoy and live life to the fullest. But because of how useless Nigerian youths are, they don't care. They don't care. All they care is nothing about. All they care is it's all about going on Facebook, talking rubbish and doing their cucumber prank, and then trying to find out who is the most richest musicians and all of that. And then they don't want to care about things that matters to them most. They don't care. So let me tell you something. All I'm just saying is they have to get up and then do the needful. The needful is what? How many people at this point even going to kill for crying out loud? How many people are they going to kill? This America where I live, people died for it before they did what? Before this country was built well. Yeah. All the countries that developed, people died for it.
Yeah, sorry for cutting you short. You will continue after this. You see what you just said now. That people are afraid because they don't want to die, all those things. That was the mistake Goodluck Jonathan made in 2014, 2015. Because Goodluck Jonathan said that his ambition is not worth the blood of any Nigerian. But you know what? After he succeeded, he just relinquished his ambition to Buhari. You know what happened? People started dying anyhow in Nigeria. People started dying, both in security, from kidnap, everywhere. So I was asking because I said, oh, Jonathan, this is what you were saying, that you don't want people to die. But your acceptance, the defeat you accepted, of which you were never defeated. They rigged the election against you. As a sitting president, you were seeing everything that was going on, and you are now everything to still go. And people are there up till today. The defeat Jonathan accepted is the reason why we are still suffering up till today. So that is the reason why I understand what you are saying very well. That anybody that says that he's not interested, he don't want to do this because he's afraid of that, what we are afraid will also come and meet us. That is a sad story, and it's a sad situation that is happening.
Yes, I'm hearing you, my brother. Yeah, go ahead.
So I really understand what you are saying, and I really appreciate you for your input, for your understanding about the situation that is going on in Nigeria, because it's so sad. You can't say that you don't want to talk, you don't want to do anything because you don't want people to come after you, or you don't want people to kill you. Do you know how many people that are going in that country every day? So it is enough for us to stand up and go for what we want.
And then again, my brother, there's one thing that, okay, like, as Nigeria is instituted or whatever, if you tell lies, they kill you. And if you don't tell lies, there was this method I was saying, I think that was this guy, he said, if you speak the truth, they kill you. If you don't speak the truth, they kill you. So what I'm trying to say is exactly. So what I'm trying to say is I don't know how long this Nigerian youths will just sit back and be docile without even coming out and say, you know what, enough is enough. Look at the inflation, look at the food, look at everything is all going high every day. And they're sitting down, they don't want to do nothing. All they do, they don't want to do nothing, they just sit down there and complain. You're complaining, come out and do the right thing. This one, they're not going to, how many people are they going to kill? How many people are they going to kill? You're doing the same for your own better, for your own future. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. You understand what I'm saying? That don't make no sense. So my brother, all I'm trying to say is, when the hunger, I pray every day. I say, please, let's don't hit 3,000. Let it hit 3,000 or 4,000. Maybe that will make it to come out, because they're not seeing that Nigeria is never going to work until they have a revolution and kick out all these rogues and criminals to the office. Their life will never be better. So if since they don't want to have it, don't want to come up and stand up and do a revolution, I pray the dollar will just rise up to like 3,000. So maybe that time they will have it in a hard way for them to get up and say, you know what, enough is enough. So let me let you continue with your program. I'll stand by the listener.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bosco from USA. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time and everything. So please, if you want to contribute to what you are saying, you can call in. So let's receive the next caller.